Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. Welcome to the 25-day coffee calendar from the Brew Company. Okay, we're on December the 4th now with the Brew Company 25-day advent calendar. So far, been really good for the last 3 days. So day 4, let's get straight into it. It's Colombia. So it's a medium roast, an intensity 3 out of 5 for Colombia. It's got apricot, apple, gooseberry and chocolate taste notes with a high acidity. So let's crack on, let's get it ground up and let's get tasting. Okay, here we go, Colombia. Day 4, Colombia. Let's have a taste. Oh, I don't think I like that one. That's apricot, apple, gooseberry and chocolate. Not a massive fan of that one. It's very fruity. Yeah, quite bitter. Yeah, not my favourite out of the 4 so far. I will keep trying this though just to see what it's like. Give it a chance. But yeah, so far, yeah, it's a little bit like kind of, I guess the apricot apple type. That's that tartness almost, I think. But yeah, not for me that one. So I'll definitely buy in the bag of that. So I guess if you're into sweeter, more acidic, because it's got a high acidity, then this will be kind of a coffee for you. But no, for me, not liking that one. So yeah, we go past it though. We go to day 5, which is tomorrow, which December the 5th is one from Brazil, which I'm looking forward to. So yeah, Colombia, not for me. We've travelled to Colombia. I'm not a big fan. But hey ho, we've got another 21 to go. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. More than I've enjoyed the coffee, but we'll see. So give it a thumbs up if you have, give it a like. If you haven't for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike on this coffee. And if you want to follow this coffee adventure on the Huson DIY channel and all our other videos on the channel, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.